Hi everyone, so welcome back to YouTube DPP series for Gate DA. So currently we are running machine learning. So in this series, as I told you, you will be getting daily few machine learning questions. Okay, this is Gate DA series. So first we are starting with machine learning, and then all the questions will be conceptual and interesting questions, and this will help you to practice and strengthen your problem solving skills. Now what you need to do, you need to pause on every video, on every question, and then solve it by your own. Comment your answer and then find the detailed video solution link in the description and in the pinned comment. So link will be always in the description. Detailed video solution link will be always in the description. So attempt, comment and check the solution, right? Your support definitely matters us for this series. If you find the question useful, then like, comment and share the video. Your support will decide future of this series. Whether we will continue or we don't continue, your comments will decide it. Okay. So let's see the questions now. This is the first question. Okay, you can solve this question and comment your answer. This is the next question. I've taken this question from Toronto. Okay, next question. This is again third question. I've taken this question from CMU. Okay, this is the next question. I've taken this question from Washington University. And this is the next question. I've taken this question from MIT. This question is really good. Actually, all the questions are really good today. Okay, all the questions are really good. So this is first question, second question, third, fourth and fifth. All the questions are really good. Just try solving all the questions and then in this format, okay, in this format comment your answer. Whether one like for one what you are getting. I mean, these are not the actual answers obviously, but in this format comment your answer. Okay. Thank you everyone.